Say thank you. Oh God. What color is your popsicle?
Red. Oh, no.
What color?
Yeah.
It fell.
Hey, Daddy, it's not here.
Her popsicle fell, Dad.
Get wipes and pick it up, please.
No, fell on the plate. Okay. It's a nice fall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cold. No. Hello, Mary Rose. Mary Rose is here. Say hi, Mary Rose. No, thank you. Is that how you eat that popsicle?
Dude.
Hello, Mikay. Hello, Mikay.
Mommy, I'm not see you play. Let me see you play.
Are you gonna play outside? Ay, in the garage? Wipe it, anak. See, enjoy eating popsicle. Say thank you.
No, not that.
Yeah, they said enjoy eating. Just say thank you. Are you gonna play now? Let's go play. I'll go get Tete. No, play in the garage. Oh. No, you don't do that. Just leave it there. Come on, let's go to the garage. You have not played in the garage yet. Let's go in the garage, anak. Oh, you don't want to go to the garage? Diyos mio, Marimar. Diyos ko, follow daw. Ang bilis. You're so fast.